Are your thermostats acting up or losing power? Don't panic. Most of the time, all it takes is a quick battery change. Today on PartsHnC, we'll show you how to easily replace batteries in common Honeywell and Emerson thermostats so your heating and cooling stay on point. Welcome back to PartsHnC, your go-to source for HVAC parts, repair tips, and easy DIY solutions. Let's start with a basic Honeywell thermostat. Many people wonder, where do the batteries go? The trick is simple. Remove the front plate. It splits in half. Just grab the handle at the bottom and pry gently. The batteries are right at the top. Swap them out, then snap the plate back in place. Easy. Next, touchscreen Honeywell units. Look for a button labeled press at the top. Press it to remove the front plate. This one takes 4 batteries. Make sure the notches align at the bottom, then close it securely. The same idea applies to other small Honeywell plates. Grab the handle, remove, change batteries, and snap back. Emerson units work a little differently. Most have a handle or tab to pull the front plate off. On standard models, the 2 batteries are right behind it. For touchscreen Emerson thermostats, it's usually the back plate that comes off. No force needed. Just remove carefully, replace batteries, and reattach. Some newer models like the Honeywell T4 units are even easier. The front plate just snaps off, and some have battery inserts at the top. Press, remove, swap batteries, and pop it back in. Always follow the specific directions for your thermostat model to avoid damage, and that's it. Simple steps to keep your thermostats powered and your HVAC running smoothly. If your thermostat still isn't working even after replacing the batteries, don't worry. PartsHnC has a full range of thermostats available at affordable prices, with fast shipping and easy returns. For more guides, replacement parts, and support, visit PartsHnC.com. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for the latest HVAC tips and updates. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and DIY fixes. Thanks for watching.